Welcome dear students. In this video we are going to have grammar. And the topic which we are going to study is an important part of parts of speech. So what is the topic? To know this, let's have the reading of a short paragraph. Here, Rahul is a good boy. Rahul is my friend. Rahul is very helpful. Rahul helps me in my homework. Here you can observe the word Rahul is repeated again and again. It is used many times. And this repeated word is a naming word, means noun. As this repetition of the same name not only making this para long, but very boring also to read. So, to make the paragraph shorter or to avoid the repetition of the same word, we can use other word like he. He can be used in the place of Rahul to avoid the repetition of the same name. Here you can find after replacing the name Rahul means noun with he, the paragraph has become more convenient to read. Now let's have another paragraph. Ruchi is a good girl. Ruchi is my friend. Ruchi is very helpful. Ruchi helps me in my homework. In this paragraph, the name Ruchi is repeated again and again. So, to avoid the repetition of the same name, can we use he here? No, we cannot use he because Ruchi is the name of feminine gender, and for feminine gender we cannot use he. In the place of Ruchi, we will use another word, that is she. She will be used in the place of Ruchi to avoid the repetition of the same noun. So here we have learned the name of masculine gender like Rahul can be replaced by he, and the name of feminine gender like Ruchi can be replaced by she. So the words which are used to replace noun are known as pronouns. So in this video we are going to study about pronouns in the worksheet number 8. Now let's proceed to the next slide to know what is pronoun. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun in the sentence to avoid repetition of the noun. Always remember, after using pronoun, the meaning of the sentence does not change. Here are some pronouns which are used in the sentence like I, we, you, are, me, who, what, him, her, this, that, he, she, and they. Among these pronouns, some are used at the place of subject, while some are used at the place of object. And some are used to show ownership, or some are used to ask questions. So, we are having different kinds of pronouns. In our syllabus, we will study about 4 kinds of pronouns, and they are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Let's study each separately. The first one is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that refer to particular persons or things. These personal pronouns are I, you, she, he, it, we, they, me, her, him, us, and them. Among these pronouns, I, you, she, he, it, we, and they These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part, means subject of a sentence. As these personal pronouns are used at the place of subject, that's why these are also known subject pronouns. Subject pronouns. Among these, I and we are the subject pronouns of first person. I is used when a person is speaking about himself or herself. It is a singular pronoun. And we is used when a person speaking and referring to himself along with others. It is a plural pronoun. After that, you. You is a subject pronoun of second person. It is used as singular as well as plural pronoun. Then he, she, they and it. These are subject pronouns of third person. He is used for masculine gender. Then she is used for feminine gender. It is also a singular pronoun. Then they is a plural pronoun. It is used for plural nouns. It is a singular pronoun and it is used for all the animals and objects without life. Here, personal pronouns like me, you, her, him, us and them. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the telling part, means predicate of a sentence. As these are used at the place of objects, that's why they are also known as object pronouns. Here you can see all the personal pronouns. These are subject pronouns and these are object pronouns. Now let's have the exercise related to personal pronouns, which is given on page number 26 of your grammar book, and that is circle the pronouns. In this exercise, we are having two paragraphs and we need to find pronouns and circle them. So let's start reading of the para. Here, the hermit went to the mountain and asked, "O mighty mountain, will you marry my daughter? I want her to have a strong husband, and the wind tells me that you are the strongest of all." In this paragraph, you is a singular subject pronoun of second person. Then after, I is also a singular subject pronoun of first person. Then after, her is a singular object pronoun of third person. Then me is a singular object pronoun of first person. After that, you is a singular subject pronoun of second person. Now let's read the second para. Here, when the mountain heard the request of the hermit, he replied, "O hermit, I am not the strongest of all. It is the forest mouse who is stronger than me, because he can dig holes in me and I cannot stop him." In this paragraph, he is a singular subject pronoun of third person. Then I is a singular subject pronoun of first person. Then it is also a singular subject pronoun of third person. Then after, me is a singular object pronoun of first person. Then he is a singular subject pronoun of third person. After that, me is a singular object pronoun of first person, and I is a singular subject pronoun of first person, and the last one is him is a singular object pronoun of third person. So here this exercise is completed. Now let's proceed to the next exercise. That is, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. The first sentence is, I love mangoes. Blank are tasty. This blank needs a subject pronoun for mangoes, as mangoes is a plural noun. So, in the place of mangoes, they will be used. Next is, I forgot my pen. He gave blank his pen. Here we need an object pronoun for I. So, to fill the blank, me is used. So, the sentence will be, I forgot my pen. He gave me his pen. The next one is, they have a dog. Blank is called Frisky. Here, we need a subject pronoun for a dog. And for animal, we always use it. So the sentence will be, they have a dog, it is called Frisky. Let's have the next one. The next one is, the visitors are here. Don't quarrel in front of blank. As the visitor is a plural noun, so to fill the blank, we will use them. So the sentence will be, the visitors are here. Don't quarrel in front of them. After that, the next one is, Anju is my best friend. Blank is in my class. This blank needs a subject pronoun for Anju. As Anju is the name of a singular feminine gender, so for this, she will be used. The next one is, the thief was caught. Blank was sent to prison. Here this blank need a subject pronoun for the thief, as the thief is a singular noun. For this, he will be used. After that, the next one is, the kitten was hungry and blank made a lot of noise. Here this blank needs a subject pronoun for the kitten, as the kitten refers to an animal. So, to fill the blank, it will be used, as it is used for animals. After that, the next one is, give my suitcase to blank and their suitcase to them, as this blank needs an object pronoun. So for this, me will be used. So the sentence will be, give my suitcase to me and their suitcase to them. The next one is, Sumedha is in the kitchen. Call blank here please. This blank needs an object pronoun for Sumedha, which is a feminine singular noun. So, to fill the blank, we will use her. So, the sentence will be, Sumedha is in the kitchen. Call her here, please. The next one is, Sunetra is in class 4th. Blank was in 8 years old then. This blank needs a subject pronoun for Sunetra, which is a singular noun. So, to fill the blank, we need she. So, the sentence is, Sunetra is in class 4th. She was in 8 years old then. Now, let's have the next one. The next one is, Rohan has to study in order to get the job that blank wants, as this blank refers to Rohan. So, we need a singular subject pronoun for this blank, that is he. So, the sentence will be, Rohan has to study in order to get the job that he wants. After that, the next one is, my friends and I like fresh juice. Please get blank some juice. as this blank refers to my friends and I. So, we need an object pronoun for this. That will be us. So, the sentence is, my friends and I like fresh juice. Please get us some juice. Next one is, Suchi and I are neighbors. Blank go to the same school. As this blank refers to Suchi and I. So, to fill this blank, we need a subject pronoun, and that is we. So, after filling the blank, the sentence will be, Suchi and I are neighbors. We go to the same school. After that, the next one is, Sahita is wearing a blue dress. Blank is looking beautiful. Here this blank refers to Sahita. And to fill this blank, we need a singular subject pronoun, and that is she. So, after filling the blank, the sentence will be, Sahita is wearing a blue dress. She is looking beautiful. Let's have the last one, that is, their family has 9 children in all, and blank love reading storybooks. Here this blank refers to children. So, to fill the blank, we need a plural subject pronoun, and that is they. So, after filling the blank, the sentence is, their family has 9 children in all and they love reading storybooks. Here, this exercise is completed. Now, let's have the next kind of pronoun, and that is demonstrative pronouns. Let's understand it with some examples. Here, the first example is, here, this boy is saying, this is my car. In this sentence, this refers to a car, which is a noun. So, it is a pronoun. But which kind of pronoun it is? As it is pointing towards a specific car, my car. So, it is a demonstrative pronoun. Also, you can notice this is used for a specific singular object, which is near. Let's have the next example. That is my car. In this sentence, that refers to car, which is a noun. So, it is a pronoun, and it is also a demonstrative pronoun because that is pointing out a specific car, my car. Also, you can notice here that is used for a specific singular object, which is far off. Now, let's have another example. That is, these are cute puppies. In this sentence, these refers to puppies, which is a noun. So, these is a pronoun. Since it is pointing towards a specific noun, so these is a demonstrative pronoun. Also, you should know that it is used for a specific plural object when they are near. Now, let's have another example. Here, those are cute puppies. In this sentence, those refers to puppies, which is a noun, and those is also a demonstrative pronoun because it is pointing towards a specific noun, and those is used for specific plural objects when they are far away. So, from these examples, we have learned that a demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that represents a particular person, animal or thing. These pronouns are used to point out to the specific noun or nouns that may be near or far in distance. There are 4 demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these and those. Now, let's have some points to be remembered. Here, this and that are used for singular nouns, while these and those are used for plural nouns. Another point is, this and these are used for nouns which are near in distance, while that and those are used for nouns which are far in distance. Now let's have some more examples of demonstrative pronouns. Here, this is my pencil. That is my pencil. These are my pencils. Those are my pencils. Here you can observe this is used for specific singular object which is near, while that is used for specific singular object that is far. And here these is used for specific plural object which is near, while those is used for specific plural object that is far. It is clear that this and that are used for singular objects and these and those are used for plural object. Also we know that this and these are used for objects that are near and that and those are used for object that are far in distance. Now let's have an exercise related to demonstrative pronoun which is given on page number 28 and 29. That is, fill in the blanks with correct demonstrative pronouns. Here the first sentence is, ma'am, please look at this laptop. Blank is the latest model. In this sentence, the object laptop is a specific singular noun which is near. So, the correct demonstrative pronoun used for it will be this. Now, let's have the next one. I'll keep my books on this shelf. You keep your books on blank. The correct demonstrative pronoun for this sentence is that. The next one is blank tastes good. As you can observe in this sentence, the verb taste is in singular form. So, the demonstrative pronoun also should be singular, and that is this. Now, let's have the next one. Look at those apples. Blank are bigger than blank. In this sentence, object apples is a plural noun, that is far. So, the correct demonstrative pronouns for these blanks are those and these. Now, let's have the last sentence, that is, I don't like these pens. Blank write very smoothly. In this sentence, pens is a plural noun. So, to fill the blanks, we need a plural demonstrative pronoun, and that is those. So, after writing the correct demonstrative pronoun, the sentence will be, I don't like these pens. Those write very smoothly. With this exercise is completed. Now, it's time to give the end to this video. I will be present in the next video to discuss the rest 2 kinds of pronouns. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.